Here's something you don't see every day. It's a 1965 Oldsmobile Starfire convertible. It's a very nice car, restored in the last couple of years, completely stripped down, new paint, new interior, chrome re-chromed, floors redone. Very nice car, runs and drives great. It's priced to sell. If you're looking for a nice classic convertible, you got bucket seats, center console, power windows, power brakes, power steering, power top, loaded up car. Just check out this Starfire. It's a 65. Listen to that original 425. Sounds great. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. 65 Starfire, 425, restored car, ready to go and priced to sell.